the end.
Okay.
Hello, we are Sabino, Guillermo, Orlando, and Juan Antonio, and we are going to talk about a novel collection and one of their products.
The product is called the Halos Watch.
This is.
Could you-
This is a practical pocket watch and is finely crafted with the symbol of the deadly hallows. This includes 22-inch adjustable chain and works like a normal watch. And the design is very cool.
Well, the name of the company is Novel Collection.
The company is engaged in manufacture of replicas of film objects. Also is in charge of getting the legal permissions of the brand for which you want to make the product.
Okay, and in the markets, we expect to promote this pocket watch through all advertisement and in some places where the film of the object that we saw is promoted.
Well, the final performance, the product react very well because there are a lot of fans that follow the saga of Harry Potter and want to buy some items that are related to the movies.
The product is only sold online, so we don't have retail outlets.
And the possible solutions we think is that it can be sold in more places to boost the market, like bookstores or in the cinema. And if the customer could buy a ticket of Harry Potter, it can be a discount in this pocket watch. So these are some solutions that we thought.
Also, the item can sold in conventions like Concomic or Comic Con here in
Mexico.
The questions are the next. The first one is the type of advertising applied or used according to the information of the slide presentation. And we saw that the advertising is advertising online through the use of internet. So sometimes internet we can see in
The company has banner ads in some web pages, like pages like or about comics, movies, or costumes.
Here is a screenshot of the page, and you can see the name of the company here, and the name of the saga, Harry Potter, and the watch.
In this pocket watch.
Here is the price, and you can purchase this product. Purchase this product into internet. So this is the only way that we saw
This product.
What were they useful? Why or why not? Explain. Yes, it's useful because it is due to the flexible way that the company used to give to know their products related to a movie. In this case, it's Harry Potter, or a certain program of TV, and people can find the product easier and purchase it. And another way to advertise the product will be, in our point of view, will be the process of merchandising in a retail distributor, because this is a way to sell the product in different shops, and it will be, maybe one disadvantage could be that the business could not be profitable.
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 And also the limited customers we can um, we can we only meet a limited number of customers.
Uh-huh,
So it's another disadvantage.
okay.
Other disadvantage is that the watch is only sold in places like
The Wizard World of Harry Potter.
and only have three places where
Around the world.
in London, in Orlando, Florida, and I think that in Los Angeles, California.
LA.
Then
Yeah.
parks like Universal Studios.
Mhm.
But these places are not part of the company, so this is a
Retailers.
yes, and this is a competition. Yes, versus the company. In this case, the page.
The webpage?
The
Novel
page.
Collection.
Novel Collection is
The
an
official
online
page.
company. only.
The company is Novel Collection, and the Wizarding World it's
It's another company. It's like
A
another,
totally different.
another
company.
brand.
But it's the
This
same,
case-
but it's the same watch.
yes,
Yes.
because the two companies have the legal permissions
To
to
solve these type of
Uh-huh.
problems of the saga of Harry Potter and other sagas.
Okay, so in which one are you, from which company are you?
Novel Collection.
From Novel Collection.
No
Online.
collection.
Yes, the online company.
Uh-huh.
But we are presenting right now the retail distributor in the amazing the amazing world of Harry Potter and one shop.
Okay. And do the prices vary from one shop to the other shop?
yes, the price is different because, for example, in the official page, the price is 20 pounds.
Dollars.
Pounds. No, the company is a British company.
It's a British company,
Yes.
so they're pounds, okay?
And for in other places like Wizarding World, the price is higher than the official page.
And would you say that this item has a need in society, or is it just like a trend?
It's just like a trend because if you like Harry Potter, you have like the I don't know. For example, for me, I have the necessity of to buy some item.
It's
of
it's a necessity
But for me, I think
for you?
yes.
Okay.
To buy
From the backs of the saga of Harry Potter.
Okay. And what about in a few years? So, how could this item be profitable in the future? How much future does this item have in the market? If it's not,
You need to give reasons to buy it.
Uh-huh.
For example, you need to include some ads and I don't know to do it more.
you said it's a collectible item. In time, is it going to become more expensive? Do you think in a few years?
yes, because
What
it's
are the
only
expectations in the market?
maybe